Hello, mates. How are you? Today, I want to share with you my progress after 1 month of learning Danish, and I'll do it by saying some things that I've learned and some things that now I'm able to say. And I have to warn you that this is my first month. Thus, I'm not expecting to speak perfectly. I know I will make probably a lot of mistakes, maybe in pronunciation or grammatically or even in meanings in the general meaning of the word. Like perhaps I can use some words that could be better in another context, But okay, I just want to share it with you, and I will try to input subtitles on both English and Danish. The English subtitles will be on what I was trying to say, and the Danish subtitles will be in what I actually said. So if any of you speak Danish, it'll be nice to hear some feedback from you, because that's why I'm uploading these things. And yeah, I hope that I can that I well I'm doing my best, so I hope that I can at least be understood. And yeah, okay. So without further ado, here I go. Dag. Jeg hedder Tony, og jeg bor i Mexico. Det er min første måned, det er dansk. Og jeg tror ikke det er svært, men det er. Jeg elsker Danmark, så jeg tror jeg kunne lære dansk sprog. Nu jeg bliver og nu jeg bliver en lidt, men jeg skal lære mere. Jeg vil besøge Danmark i december, og jeg vil gerne tale med danskerne, fordi de er smukke mennesker. Jeg også vil gerne bo i Danmark i fremtiden. Sidste ting, jeg bor i en drømme, at jeg brugte Google Oversæt for nogle sætninger. Okay, basically that's it. If I was not able to input subtitles, then you'll find it in the description. Or if you saw subtitles, then never mind what I just said. And basically that's it. That's everything. So thank you, mates, and see you in the next one. Cheers.